Joining us now for the final trade of the day is Todd at Bubba Horwitz, here to take a look at Apache. So this is in the oil patch.
It is in the oil patch. It's in the deflating oil patch. I think at some point the oil itself will find a bottom. And of course, yesterday you had Mario Draghi step in again with the currency in the euro currency pushing the dollar a little bit lower, making oil even a little bit stronger. But I think oil is due to bounce, and I think Apache is a stock that's been all over the map over the years and is now coming down towards the lows in which we'd like to be a buyer. It's trading around 46, 47. I think that's a great area to step in. And you can look at this either as a long-term play because I think it's solid, or you can look at this for a trade. I think either way we get, a 6 to 10% bounce here in a very short period of time, because I do think we're going to see a nice recovery here. So for myself, I'm going to play it as a trade and just look to capture and get in and out. But again, I do think it's strong enough and solid enough as a longer-term play. And either you can buy the stock, or I'll use a synthetic risk reversal on this stock. And what I'll do is I'll buy the at-the-money calls, and I will sell a put spread so that I can get in for very low cost and very low margin, and that's really what I'm going to look to do here.
What is your call on oil? You've talked about $40 per barrel before.
You remember that? When it was 55, I was calling 40. I think it's still going to 40. It might even go lower now. We're getting into a very precarious space here. However, I think you get a big bounce before the final move to the downside. I think we see another bounce here, and I think you're going to catch a lot of traders and a lot of people too short the market. It's become too easy to sell it. So I think now you look for a little bit of a bounce and then the final push down, I think.
Thank you for coming on the show.
Great to be here.
I'll be thinking about what you just said.
Thank you.